Puppies love to chew things, but there are some things that they shouldn't be chewing. Sorry, hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry. Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes, and today I have Mr. Humphrey with me because we're going to talk about the top 5 things you should never let your puppy chew. So these are things that you should never let your puppy chew because they can be expensive to replace, or they might be really important because you may have to get a redo on something, especially if something you work hard on, or it's just most of the stuff is just really expensive to replace. So we're gonna get started and we hope you guys enjoy the video. Number 1. So number 1 on my list should have to be furniture. So you never want to let your puppy chew on your furniture just because your furniture is so probably super expensive to just replace. And it's just never a good thing. And you may have some stuff that may be discontinued from a store that you can't get anymore. So there's no really way to replace them except if you find it online, and it might take a while to get here. So just keep in mind, or it might be really, really old and you've had it for years. So just like if your puppy wants to chew something, just make sure you give them a chew toy and don't let them chew on the furniture. Number 2. Number 2 on my list would have to be your child's toys. So you never want to let your puppy chew on your child's toys because some of them can be expensive to replace. Oh, I love you too, Humphrey. Because some of them can be quite expensive to replace, or it may be your child's most favorite toy and they would be sad if they lost it. Or they might have like choking device, or they might be choking devices for your puppy. So if your child is playing with his or her toys around the puppy, just watch both your child and your puppy. Number 3. Number 3 on my list would have to be your clothes. So you never want to let your puppy chew on your clothes because some of your clothes may be your favorite and you can't get them anymore, or you can't replace them, or they might be really, really expensive to replace. And it just might be hard to get a hold of some of the clothes, or your favorite store that had your clothes at might have closed down. So you never want to let your puppy chew your clothes just because those can be quite expensive, or they might be your favorite thing. Number 4. Number 4 on my list would have to be furniture at a local lodge. So it's very important to watch your puppy at a local lodge because the furniture at the lodge, the person that may have owned the lodge might have spent a lot of money on the furniture, and if you ruin it, then you have to buy it, and it may be expensive. So just keep in mind when you bring your puppy to a lodge, you have to watch them so then they don't chew the furniture when at the place you're staying. Number 5. Number 5 on my list would have to be your homework, because your homework is super important for school, and you never want to let your puppy chew on your homework because you can't get it replaced and it might be difficult, and your teacher might not believe you even if your dog really chews your homework. Sorry, even if your dog really chews your homework. So you kind of don't want your sorry, you just kind of don't want your dog to chew your homework because your teacher isn't going to believe you, even if your dog really chews your homework. I thought I'd just add that in there just for laughs. So, yeah. So those are the top 5 things you should never let your puppy chew. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes, and we'll see you in another video soon. Bye!